Welcome to our YouTube channel where we're about to embark on a culinary adventure like no other, creating a Sushi Doughnut Delight. Join us as we blend the art of sushi with the fun of donut making, crafting a unique and delicious treat that will leave your taste buds dancing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single bite of this mouth-watering journey. In this comprehensive step-by-step guide, we will unravel the secret to mastering the art of creating irresistible Sushi Doughnut Delights. Join us as we dive into the world of culinary creativity and bring forth a unique and visually stunning twist to traditional sushi. Get ready to unveil the secrets behind crafting these mouth-watering treats. From making the perfect sushi rice to forming it into exquisite donut-shaped delights, our expert sushi chef will guide you through each meticulous step, ensuring that your Sushi Doughnut Delights turn out flawlessly every time. Discover how to infuse vibrant flavors into your sushi donuts using an array of fresh ingredients and delectable fillings. From tangy marinated seafood to crunchy vegetables and creamy sauces, you'll learn how to strike the perfect balance that will leave your taste buds begging for more. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also reveal pro tips and techniques for achieving stunning presentation, so your Sushi Doughnut Delights not only taste incredible, but look like edible art pieces too. From garnishing with delicate herbs to adding colorful accents, your sushi donuts will radiate visual appeal that is guaranteed to impress. Whether you're a seasoned sushi enthusiast or a beginner in the kitchen, this guide caters to all levels of expertise. So come join us on this culinary adventure and unlock the secrets to creating Sushi Doughnut Delights that will wow your friends and family. Don't miss out on the chance to become a sushi donut connoisseur. Hit that play button and start your delicious journey today. Today, we'll show you how to make Sushi Doughnut Delights. Let's get started. First, prepare your sushi rice. Wash the rice thoroughly and cook it according to the package instructions. Once cooked, transfer it to a large bowl to cool. Next, season the rice with sushi vinegar. Gently mix the vinegar into the rice using a wooden spatula, being careful not to mash the grains. Now, it's time to shape the sushi donuts. Grease a donut mold with a bit of oil. Take a handful of sushi rice and press it firmly into the mold, ensuring that it is evenly distributed. Once shaped, carefully remove the rice donut from the mold and repeat the process with the remaining rice. Place the donuts on a plate. For the toppings, let your creativity shine. You can use ingredients like sliced avocado, cucumber, smoked salmon, or even spicy tuna. Arrange the toppings on top of the rice donuts, creating a beautiful and colorful presentation. To finish, garnish your sauce.
Did you know this one? Thank you. Leave a comment below.